welcome to another session of learning about computers. Today, we'll be learning how to make a straight-through network cable. For the learning standards, the learners demonstrate an understanding of concepts and principles in setting up a computer network. A learner shall be able to set up computer network based established procedures and system requirements for hardware. So what is a straight-through cable? So it is a type of twisted pair cable that is used in local area network to connect one computer to a network hub or another router. So this is also called a patch cable, and it is an alternative to wireless connections where one or more computers access a router through a wireless signal. So the wires here are matched. Tools and equipment we will be using our LAN cable, a pair of RJ45, LAN tester for checking the connectivity of both ends. We have your side cutter for cutting the excess wires. And then lastly, your crimping tool for crimping or attaching and locking the RJ45 to the LAN cable. Step is pull out your length of cable. So you pull out enough cable to run the length required for your installation. Be sure to allow enough to trim several inches of the ends. Okay? It's always better to go a little longer than to not have enough cable. Number 2 is to strip off the outer jacket. So this is the outer jacket. Okay. Insert the wire or the cable to the wire stripper. So we'll be using the wire stripper in this section, not this one. Inspect the inner wire to make sure none of them have been moved. There are showy exposed copper wire, then you need to adjust your blade depth and then try it. So as you can see, we have the different colors in our wires. Number 3 is to untwist all 4 pairs of wire and straighten them out the best you can. If there are any white fibers or a plastic divider in the center, you can trim it off. Step 4 is to arrange the wires according to the diagram. So we'll be using straight-through cable. So line up the individual wires in order shown on the diagram. In our example, we have the, which come first are the white orange, okay, white green, blue, white blue, green, and then white brown, and brown. Step number 5 is you cut the wires about 1/2 from where the jacket was stripped off. So we will be using this cutter. Make sure to leave enough that the ends of the wire cable are able to reach the pins of the connector or the RJ45. The cable needs to go inside the connector housing enough for the crimp to be able to come down on top of the jacket and then hold it in its place. So make sure your wires are in their proper place. You place your RJ45 in this side and put it in. It should reach all the ends at the end of the RJ45. Step number 6, once your wires are in the connector, and make sure the connector is oriented properly. The release tab, this one, should be facing down toward the ground. And then ensure all the wires are still in the correct order after they are pushed all the way to the pins. That is the pin. This is your wires. Step number 6. Step number 7 is to crimp the connector. Okay. With your crimping tool, use the 8P hole and then you crimp it. So it should click like that because it means your RJ45 and the wire is secure. Once you're done with the both ends of your LAN cable, we're going to use a LAN tester for testing the connectivity of your straight through cable. So you're just going to turn on your LAN cable tester. We'll be using this pin, this one, and then here. So it should light and in sequence from 1 going to 8. There are missing numbers or it's not lighting, you should check the connectivity of your wire. It should touch at the end of the pins of the RJ45. So if there are errors, you have to cut your wire, RJ45, and we need to do the process all over.